Welcome friends, we are glad to see you on our channel. Today we have an exciting new product for you, a CNC machine for 2D bending of rebar manufactured by our company, ElectroTorg. This machine is designed for processing rebar with a diameter from 8 to 14 millimeters and has interesting features and advantages. Let's move on to the technical specifications. The CNC machine is equipped with two powerful servo motors of 7.5 kilowatts each, ensuring stable operation under heavy loads. The dies are made of high-quality X12MF steel, heat-treated to a hardness of 48 units on the Rockwell scale. This choice of material guarantees the durability and wear resistance of the tooling. The dies, mandrels, and punches made of this steel can withstand intensive use for many years without frequent replacement, reducing maintenance and operation costs. The machine is also equipped with a pneumatic clamp for rebar, which significantly facilitates the work process and increases processing accuracy. The machine comes with a coil holder with a lifting capacity of 2.5 tons, which allows working with large volumes of rebar, ensuring the continuity of the production process and minimizing downtime. The console with numerical control, CNC, is designed as a hanging swivel bracket, providing the operator with easy access to the control panel, allowing them to work comfortably from any side of the machine. As additional options, the machine can be equipped with a manual control panel. This panel allows control of all machine units, making the setup and operation process more convenient and intuitive. Using the manual panel, the machine can operate in automatic mode. In this case, control switches from the CNC to this physical panel. This allows the machine to process not only coiled rebar, but also short-sized fragmentary blanks. Thanks to its technical characteristics, this rebar bending machine is a profitable tool for professionals in the construction and manufacturing industries. The CNC machine ensures stable quality of the produced parts. For example, the tolerance of smooth bar parts is 0.15 hundredths of a millimeter per linear meter, and the bending unit with a central knife makes it an optimal choice for performing a wide range of rebar bending tasks. Leave your questions in the comments and we will promptly respond to them. If you are interested in our machines, contact us at the provided details. See you next time.